guys, it's Bianca. So for today's video, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung process ko sa pag-paint. So it's my first time doing oil painting. So this is day 1 of oil paint. By the way, it's a self-portrait. Gusto ko lang i-challenge yung sarili ko na, why not do a portrait? Anyway, here's day 1 progress. Kamukha ko ba? Wala pang buhok at damit. So let's see tomorrow. So it's day 2 of oil painting. Let's go. So, nasa background na ako. Yeah, background. Feeling ko matatapos ko siya tonight. Kung tuloy-tuloy lang ako magpipaint. I think nagkamali ako. Parang naano ko yung mukha. Paano remedyohan to? I think I'm finished. Di ako sure. Pero, sana maganda siya sa mga mata ng ibang tao. Kasi sa akin, parang nagsistruggle pa rin ako sa portrait. Pero, practice lang. So, here's my finished painting. Anyway, thanks for watching!